Hello everyone, welcome to Most Cooking Corner. Today I'm going to show how to make a very special Amlokir Achar. So let's get on to the video. Thank you. Hello everyone, here I got 1 kg Amloki. And what I do first thing, I boil Amloki, and I got cinnamon stick, bay leaves, cardamom and jaggery, and just slice very thin, sugar, mustard oil. So what I do, I got Amlokir, so I got this pin, so I have to pinch it up to the seed like this all the way. So once I finish my pinching, I will boil into the water with the salt and vinegar. So let's do it, all of them. Just get this pin and pinning all around. If you don't have pin, you can use the fork. So I'm going to finish this pinning and start to boil. That's done all the pinning. So I just pin very close and up to the seat. So you can use fork also for pinning. So the bitter part, the bitter juice is come up. So I'm going to boil it for 1 hour. So let's boil it. It will be very soft after 1 hour, and all the bitter juice will come off. So what I do, a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of tablespoon of vinegar. So keep boiling for 1 hour. So Amlokir is boiled now. It's very soft. You can see it's very soft now. See, very soft. So I just drain the water, and I'll do the next step. I just drain the water. See, and now what I do the final step. So I got 1 pan. Yeah. Just put mustard oil, 3 tablespoons. So I'm gonna put some pancitron, like 1 tablespoon pancitron. Fry it with the mustard oil, and now I'm going to put very thin ginger slice. Fry it, make it very crispy. And I'm going to put cinnamon stick, 4-5 pieces, bay leaves, and cardamom, 4 pieces on it. Sugar, 2 tablespoons, and that's 2 pieces of jaggery mithai. So cook all together. Make it a very good tarka syrup. So once syrup is ready, I'm going to add this Amlokir. The syrup is ready. Now what I do, I add some little bit of red chili powder, a bit spicy, and there's pinch of garam masala, and just pinch of dhania powder. Mix it together. So keep it a bit spicy as well. So syrup is ready now. So what I do now, I just put this Amlokir and keep it on slow cooking. So what we do is take all the juice from the pan and make it dry. It will be very powerful. Just do it for 5 minutes, mixing all together properly. The achar is almost getting ready. So what I do, I just put just the chili crush powder, dry chili powder for 1/2 teaspoon to make it a bit more spicy. Just mix it all together to be very good, colorful, sweet, sour, hot and spicy. So let's boil it for another 2 minutes. Then it will be ready to be served. That's yummy pickle. The achar is ready. The Amlokir Achar. It's really nice. Looks very beautiful. So InShot, if you use this, look how soft it is. Then it like this. Very nice. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching.